Hello people get paid. We are greeted with very bad roads at the start of this vlog. आज का vlog काफ़ी nerdy होने वाला है. We are going to test out a lot of settings in the DJI Osmo Action 3 to see which actually works for me. This is the first clip that I'm recording in the 4:3 aspect ratio. We have much more horizontal data. There are 4 frame rates in total that I want to try or experiment with. So currently we are at 24. I want to try out 30, 50 and 60. In India, all the electronics and the lighting, everything is set to 50 Hz. So when I use any other multiple rather than 50, we will get the scan lines when we are driving in the night or during the light. So 50 would be the best bet for me because it will give me a little higher shutter speed. That would be 1/100th of a second, and it will help me eradicate the filming scan lines. My visor is fogging up. I need to get the anti-fog film for this one, so you need to subscribe so that I get some traction, get some money out of these videos, and I can buy much more crazy stuff. I can experiment with those, and if they work out, you can copy and use those without having to go through these testing phases, because these are a lot of work. The whole night I spent digging through forums and use a manual everything to see if I can record gyro data in DJI Osmo Action 3. After digging around the whole night, I found out that the support for DJI Osmo Action 3 has been long dead, so I'll have to rely on Rocksteady for the stabilization of my videos. So I cannot keep it as low as 24, because 24 looks awesome. You can see the motion blur is awesome, but any tiny movement or any tiny undulations, it is not able to handle all the things as stable as it would if the shutter speed is higher. The beach looks so fucking wonderful. Wow. Who knew the water can dance on its own? The luxury of the moon and the sea. That would be a good thing to write on. I'll just take a round of this place. This is 24 fps 4:3 ratio, and this is how it looks like. This is 4K 30 4:3, and we are shooting at 1/60th of a shutter speed. 4K 50 4:3, 1/100th of a shutter speed. This is 4K 60 1/120th of a shutter speed, 4:3. This is a 4K 30 HDR 16:9, because 4:3 doesn't exist in HDR. ND filter is on, so that might help in reducing the shutter speed to some amount, but everything is on auto. The ISO and shutter speed, everything, I have zero control on it whatsoever.